Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video I'll show you how to add a new user accounts and grant database access to the user using PhpMyAdmin. So to start, you need to make sure that you have a web server on your machine or on your local machine. Here, this machine I have installed some web server. So to start, on the taskbar, the right side, you click on XAMPP web server icon, then you click on admin to go to PhpMyAdmin portal. This PhpMyAdmin portal. So to create a user account in PHP, you click on user accounts, then you click on add user accounts, new user, then you type the username, that's Tom, then you give a password to the username. This will be the password that the user Tom will use to log on to the database. Then you grant a privilege or global privilege to Tom. This will help Tom to have access to all the database on PhpMyAdmin portal. After granting full control or privilege, you click on go to create the user name. And again, if you want to grant the user full control to a specific database, on the user tab you type, you click on edit privileges, then you choose database. Here you find all the database that have been created in PHP. Then you select the one that you want Tom to get full access to it, and after that you click on check all privilege to give Tom full privilege to the specific database that you created, or choose for Tom to have full access to it. So to access it, to find out that the database permission or privileges to a specific user, click on database, then you choose the specific database, then you choose check privileges. You find Tom as a user that have full access to that specific database. And again, you can click on Tom edit, and then you will find, then you go to database, you will find the specific database that the Tom have given access to. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update. Thank you.